Balandu?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nama. So, question note down. Limit extends to 0. Step 100 tan x sin x by x square. So, already we discussed this type of sum. So, we have to use sandwich inequality. Sin x less than tan x. So, here sin x by x is there, tan x by x is there in the question. So, if you observe here, sin x, if you divide by x, will get less than 1. If you divide to tan x greater than 1. 1 no. Less than 1 means let us take 0.9. Greater than 1 means let us take 1.1. If you multiply them, we'll get less than 1 na greater than 1 na? Less than 1. So limit extends to 0.
Repeat that once again, sir.
Less than 1 means 0.9 you can take. Greater than 1
Okay.
means 0.1 you can take. If you multiply, you will get less than 1 only.
Yes.
So and 1 means 100 into 1 minus. So both these functions, whatever functions given, these functions value totally become 1 minus. 1 into 100 is 100 minus. So 100 minus means 99 point. Step 99 point value 99. That is the answer. Everybody knows the step value, right? Greatest integer function. How to find?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, done?
Yes, sir.
Right. So, same model, one more question. Limit extends to 0. Step x square by tan x into sin x. So this is like x by tan x into x by sin x. So what you have to do is you have to write the inequality. Sin x less than tan x. So here, according to your question, we have to change the inequality. X by tan x. So x is there, tan x here, x by tan x. That is less than 1. Now here x by sin x. So divide sin x here. X by sin x is greater than 1. Less than 1 no, greater than 1 no. If you multiply, you'll get less than 1. So step less than 1 means 1 minus. 1 minus means 0 point. 0 point step value 0.
Sir,
Yes.
for Monday's exam, what and all if we solve it is enough?
Maximum enough. I covered important models only completely.
Okay, sir. First
Yeah.
exercise in the chapter, if we do that's enough.
Maximum.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. See, if you are trying for 100 on 100 means you have to practice cumulative also properly. And I am doing models. I cannot cover same. If the paper setter prepares same model, different question, you should understand and solve it. That is only the thing. Otherwise, I covered all models.
Done, sir.
Right. Next sum. Limit n tends to infinity 1/4 sigma r into r plus 2 into r plus 4. R is equal to infinity sigma r into multi 1 by n power 4 r equal to 1 to n. Multiply these two brackets, will get r square plus 6r plus 8. Limit n tends to infinity 1 by n power 4 sigma r multiply inside r cube 6r square plus 8r r equal to 1 to n. Limit n tends to infinity. So sigma separate, sigma r cube plus 6 outside sigma r square plus 8 outside sigma r divided by power 4 r equal to 1 to n everywhere. That means what they are going to tell you. Sigma r cube means sum of cubes of first 10 natural numbers. 1 to n meaning is 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube up to n cube. Sum of cubes of first 10 natural numbers formula n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. 6 into the here square. 1 square, 2 square plus 3 square up to n square. Sum of squares of first 10 natural numbers formula into n plus 1 into 2n by 6. Plus 8 into sigma means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus first 10 natural numbers summation. N into n
Yes,
plus
sir.
1 by 2
Yes, sir.
divided by n power 4. So here can cancel 6, here you can cancel. Copy till he will explain. So here we can do, I will separate the term limit n tends to infinity n square into, from the first bracket, I am taking n outside. N I am taking means power square is there, so n square will come out. N square into 1 plus 1 by n by 4. And I am dividing with n power 4. Plus, I am separating limit to every term, denominator also. So limit n tends to infinity. See, whenever n tends to infinity, you have to remember this kind of expansions, take highest to n power common, so that denominator will get cancelled. So here also, if you take first bracket 1n, second bracket 1n, if you take already 1 outside, so it is n cube into 1 plus 1 by n, 2 plus 1 by n by n power 4. Four into sigma. If you take n outside from the bracket, it will become n square 1 plus 1 by n power 4. So there is no sigma actually. Yes. So here see n power 4, n square into n square cancel. Here n cube, here n cancel, n power 4 means 1 n left. N square, n power 4 means denominator n square. That means what? N infinity means 1 by n 0. So wherever 1 by n is there, if you write 0, what you will observe 1 square, that is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus, here see denominator n is there. That means it is 1 by n into, n infinity means 1 by n 0. Second term completely 0. Third term 1 by n square, that is also 0. So your answer is simply 1 by 4.
Done, sir.
Right. So now infinity type question, one more. Limit n tends to infinity 7 by 10, 29 by 10 square, 133 by 10 cube, etc. 5 power n plus 2 power n by 10 power n. Limit n tends to infinity. 2 plus 7 means we'll write 5 plus 2 by 10. 29 means we'll write 5 square plus 2 square by 10 square. Let us write 5 cube plus 2 cube by 10 cube, etc. 5 power n plus 2 power n by 10 power n. If you separate the terms, we'll get 5 by 10, 5 square by 10 square, etc. 5 power n by 10 power n plus 2 by 10, 2 square by 10 square, 2 power n by 10 power n. This is sum of GP. A into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. R means 5 by 10 only. Plus 2 by 10 into 1 minus 2 by 10 whole power n by minus 2 by 10. Sum of GP formula A into 1 minus r power n by r minus n. That expansion. And here they gave n tends to infinity. So limit n tends to infinity, continue. So what concept you know is, if n tends to infinity, if that x value less than 1, that means 5 by 10, 2 by 10 both are less than 1 only. So they will get 0. So what we get is 5 by 10 into 1 minus 0 by 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5 into 1 minus 0 by 1 minus 1 by 5. This is also 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 by 1 by 2, this is 1 actually. This is 1 by 5 by 4. 5 cancel. 1 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 5 by 4. That is your answer. So here I will mention some questions. Will be there in your materials. You solve them, and if you have any doubts, after this question, I will mention some questions from this.
Done, sir. Yes.
Okay. See, questions I will write. You make a note, solve them. If not, then you text me WhatsApp. Question is first question. Limit n tends to infinity. NCR into m by n whole power r into 1 by n whole power n minus r. Next, limit extends to 0. Sin square pi by 2 minus ax whole power secant square pi by 2 minus bx. See, generally all models I covered, these models are there. Definitely, they will give you solutions also, I think, in your materials. So, take the help of the solutions and you try to work out these. If anywhere any problem, send me. I will solve and I will send the solution. I feel these questions are also possible. We have to do little differentiation also. So, what are possibilities from limits, so that you can give it a try. So, question on data, I manage some sums are there. Question shall I write?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. question is limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x into 1 plus f of x by x square. I try to send you solutions, all solutions, and of the day. If not, if you try in the mail, any question, if I forget also, you remind me. I will definitely share solutions. I will I don't know whether they give you solutions for this in your materials or not. These are actually very high standard models. I am not expecting them they will give, but I cannot take chance. That's why I'm writing. That's it. These questions. One more good question I saw. Okay. So whenever there is mains level exam, you should be in a position to solve SS1, SS2 thoroughly. That way. SS1, SS2, all questions should be in your hand. Fingertips should be very simple for you. Because the limits only previous person present week syllabus. So maximum questions we can expect from limits only. That's why these questions. Differentiation. Let us start differentiation once you copy this. Some are the other questions we have to do from limits also. Copied. Don't solve now. We have to do differentiation. Just copy and yeah. Huh?
Done, sir.
Right. See differentiation. Let us start solving. Y is equal to root of 1 minus sine 2x by 1 plus sine 2x. Then dy by dx at x equal to 0. So how to simplify? 1 minus sin 2x. 1 we can write cos square x plus sin square x. Sin 2x means 2 sin x cos x divided by cos square x plus sin square x plus 2 sin x cos x. So this is cos x minus sin x whole square by cos x plus sin x whole square. A plus b whole square, a minus b whole square formula. So square root cancel if you do. Cos x minus x by cos x plus sin x. Cos x if you take common, you'll get 1 minus tan x. Cos x if you take common, we'll get 1 plus tan x. Cos cancel. So 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x is tan pi by 4 minus x.
Tan pi by 4 minus.
Yes.
Okay.
1 minus tan by 1 plus tan is tan pi by 4 minus x. This is the simplification. What we have done is we've done simplification. Now we have to find out differentiation. We have to do dy by dx and substitute x equal to 0. Dy by dx equal to tan differentiation secant square. Secant square pi by 4 into minus 1. Tan x secant square x differentiation minus 1. At x equal to 0. X equal to 0 if you write secant square pi by 4. Secant 45 root 2 square is plus 2. Minus 1 is there. So minus 2 is the answer.
Done, sir.
Next question. F maps R to R such that mod f of x minus f of y less than or equal to mod x minus y whole cube. So mod f of x minus f of y by mod x minus y less than or equal to mod x minus y whole square. Whole cube is there now. One value I have bring it down. Now what we have to do is limit x tends to y, right? X tends to y mod f of x minus y by x minus y less than or equal to mod. Here also right side limit apply. Limit x tends to y mod x minus y whole square. What is the differentiation formula? Here I will write C. F dash of A is equal to x. F dash of x equal to limit x tends to A f of x minus f of y by f of a by x minus a. This is a differentiation formula. First principle, I think I told you. First principle is derived from this only. So this is the original differentiation formula derived first. F of x equal to limit x tends to a f of x minus f of a by x minus a. Rate of change, that is only called differentiation. So here, if you have this formula, if you know this directly, you can understand that whatever given is with the limit, it is a derivative. So this is nothing but f dash of x. Now, right side part see, x tends to y, x means y, right? What you will get? 0. Now differentiation, we can use is equal to symbol. We cannot use less than symbol. If any number is there, then we can write less than, but here 0 is there, we cannot write 0. Less than 0, we cannot write. Now, which function derivative is 0? Formulas you know. Which function derivative is 0? Formulas list you know. Differentiation of which one is 0?
Constant.
Here the question.
Constant.
Yes, constant. So the answer is f of x is a constant function. Option is like that only. E power x, next e power minus x, x, a constant. So answer is constant. Noted.
Yes, sir.
Right. Some if x less than 1, then 1 by 1 plus x, 2x by 1 plus x square, 1 x 4 dash. That is the question. So actually, if you remember one concept, 1 plus x square, 1 plus x power 4, etc. is equal to, what is the answer? Can you tell me? Up to n terms. Like into 1 plus x power n, suppose. What is the answer? You know, this question, what you have to do, you have to, this is x power 2n actually.
So we
It
should
should not
multiply
be,
one
because
x.
I told you already, multiply and divide by 1 minus x.
1 minus select 1 plus 1 minus x to the power 4n.
Very good. Already one sum we have done means the same model repeats. So 1 minus x, if you multiply numerator, you observe here 1 minus x into 1 plus x. 1 minus x square. Again multiply 1 minus x power. Again multiply 1 minus x power 8. Like that, if you continue, you will get 1 minus x power 2n by 1 minus x. Now what they gave? They did not give nth term. They told up to infinity. That means what they are asking, limit n to infinity, what is the summation? So what we have to apply? Limit extends to infinity, 1 minus x power 2n by 1 minus x. That is what they are asking. Now what is the value of this? N infinity, x value less than 1, then what is this value becomes? We have done models. When you see, immediately you should get connect with a question. HQ sum less than 1 tends to infinity. X power 2n. What is the value? 0. Very bad if you are not recollecting means. You are not doing practice. It's of no use if you don't do practice. Careful. So 1 by 1 minus x. So this is the question we have started. So finally, they ask a different question. They are asking, what about the value of this? So see how we are doing now. So we have done 1 plus x, 1 plus x square, 1 x power 4, etc. infinity. N tends to infinity means up to infinity is equal to what answer you got? 1 by 1 minus x. Now take logarithm. Take logarithm. Log of 1 plus x plus log of 1 minus 1 plus x square plus log of 1 plus x power 4 up to infinity log of 1 by 1 minus x. 1 by 1 minus x nothing but minus of log 1 minus x. 1 by x means x power minus 1. So you can write minus log of 1 minus x. Now do differentiation. Differentiate with respect to x. Log differentiation is 1 by log differentiation 1 by 1 plus x. Log 1 plus x square is 1 by 1 plus x square into 2x. 1 by 1 plus x power 4 into 4x cube, etc. This is only your question up to infinity. Equal to minus, keep as it is. Log means 1 by 1 minus x into minus 1. So this is 1 by 1 minus x. Finish. Now remember this concept, and whatever questions I gave from limits, solve them. I think they will be there in your new materials. Any doubts, you can ask me in WhatsApp. Bye.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
That's all for today. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Aditya,
Sir,
shall I make you host?
yes, sir, make sir.
Next class is there, huh? Anyone?
Yes, sir. Physics
Yes,
class.
sir.
Oh,
Physics.
sorry.
Sir, from 3:30
Ah,
it's there,
sir.
sir.
3:30. Yes. No.
No, sir. 3 o'clock only
Hey,
we
at
have.
3 o'clock.
Okay, okay. For this class, okay. Sir, you are a host. Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Right.
Good morning, friends.
Good afternoon, sir.
So, how did you
Good
write?
afternoon, sir.
Good. How did you write today's exam?
Good, sir.
Very tough, sir. But
Tough, huh?
HCL, that question was very tough.
Huh?
HCL question was